and we're so excited because we're doing Fright Fest. That's the event that's happening right now. It's super busy today. Oh my god, even it's like red. Looks like blood. You guys, it literally looks like blood.
Alright, so once you pay to get into the park, if you guys want to do the haunted house things, you have to go buy your Fright Fest tickets near the Goliath.
It's not included in the
admission.
You have to pay
separate.
extra.
Yeah. So there's 3 things you could buy. It's your regular admission, your Fright Fest admission, and then if you want to go on rides faster, the Fast Pass.
Yeah, there's 3 tiers of like the Fast Pass. One is like the regular, so you just kind of reserve your rides, but it's the same amount of time as everyone waiting, but you're not physically in line. Then there's a gold one, which is 50% faster, and you can still reserve as well. And then platinum is like 90% faster. So it depends on like
how fast you want to wait or how busy the park is.
Well, maybe like $65 to $125.
Yeah, from 60 to 125.
Yeah, for the Fast Pass. So bank account going to hurt. We're heading to Goliath. We're gonna get our Fright Fest tickets and super excited. Here we have George. Hi George. And we have George's friend.
Hi.
Gravator. Doesn't look too scary. It's more of a height thing, I think. Love Le Monstre. It feels like a wooden bridge throughout. So if you really hear that click clattering when you're on the roller coaster, it's huge.
Let me tell you guys this right now. This ride right here, if you work out even a little bit, if you had a Big Mac for lunch, you're not allowed on this ride.
Yeah,
they crush you like this.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the ride. It's called Demons, and literally it doesn't accommodate anyone who's like big.
If you're big or
muscular, wide shouldered, wide hips, legs. You literally won't fit on that ride. They'll tell you cannot fit. This one closed. Oh, it's so pretty. Maybe it lights up at night only. So excited for this one. It's Le Cirque Diablo 3D. Let me show you. It's quite scary. All right, so this is the one you have to pay extra for. But yeah, this one. It is so scary.
We just bought our Fright Night passes, which includes 4 haunted houses. But instead of waiting in line tonight, we get to reserve our time online for free.
Ooh.
We don't have to buy a fast pass for that. We could just reserve our time, show up at that time, and get spooked.
It costs $26 each person for the 4 haunted houses attraction.
Yeah, so 26 per person for all 4.
Yeah, excited. This is one of them. That one's really dark. I remember that one. It's called the
There's
District.
2 of them.
District 510. Oh,
there's
2 of them. Kushma,
which is Nightmare.
Yeah.
And then there's District 510.
District 510. Yeah. Which one was scarier?
Oh, we'll find out.
Yeah, I don't remember. This is so pretty at night when it spins because it lights up everywhere. It's so beautiful. This is the Goliath. So much fun. This is like their biggest roller coaster they have at Ronde. Lining up at the Goliath right now. It is the scariest and biggest ride in Ronde. And I love that it's not that busy. I don't know if you guys can see. So we are getting on pretty quickly.
This is the worst part of the morning.
Nervous are you?
I'm not.
You're not nervous? George, you nervous? Dom, you nervous?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah?
It's been a while.
It's been a while since we've been on a roller coaster. Oh my god, look at them. Oh. John, take off your jacket, I told you.
Thank you and enjoy your
Bearing hips, man.
What do you guys think of the Goliath?
It was alright. It was good.
It was the best ride I went on today.
No, John didn't end up going to the Goliath because he has thick thighs and the ride couldn't like fit his thighs. So they said that he had to get out. I'm so sorry, baby.
Thick thigh poppy here.
Oh.
The rides that close down on your chest fit. The rides that close down on your big ass thighs don't fit.
But Goliath was really scary. It was like the first big drop. Oh my god, it felt like my soul left my body. So they have these like little pink bottles that you can buy. They're $10 and it's unlimited drinks throughout the whole season. Ooh, and we got food. Ooh. Got poutine, right? We got French fries here. We have the Nashville hot chicken, but they didn't have coleslaw left, so they gave us lettuce, tomatoes in it. Ooh, okay. This is good. It's okay. Going to Le Monstre. Where are we at? We're at the Monster, and it's a like wooden roller coaster, which I don't know, does it make it more scary? Yeah, it makes it more scary because you hear the actual like wood creaking and stuff like while you go on the roller coaster.
I hope I fit.
Yeah, you will. I hope so. That was intense. It was so fast.
That was crazy.
It was
Let
so.
me say 3 things, okay? Don't try to open your mouth or you might bite your tongue. I almost did that.
Okay.
2, I could feel the bruises on my thigh bone, on my hip bones because I was like just
So
crushing.
tight. Yeah.
And that was like the least smooth roller coaster of all. It was like
It was. I couldn't even anticipate the turns, and so we were like holding on for our dear life. And thank God, John's arms were like big that I was able to like kind of have it for cushion. Other than that, I would have like had head trauma everywhere. It was no, it was also just so fast.
Yeah.
That was a lot. Was that a lot, Dom?
it was intense. It was an intense ride.
Yeah.
I don't remember it being that
That's
fast.
what I was telling George. I'm like, I don't remember it being that fast and just that like shaky.
Because I remember it like I was like, oh yeah, like Goliath came out. It's like the monster wasn't that good anymore.
Yeah.
No.
The monster was good. Like,
That was great. Oh my god, I just didn't think it was that fast.
Yeah.
That fast and that intense. Wait, John, which is better? Goliath or a monster?
I didn't feel the Goliath.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
Okay.
Damn.
So
Rubbing it in, huh? Rubbing it in.
Guys, what's better, monster or Goliath?
Goliath.
Yeah, the Goliath for sure.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, John.
Yeah, Goliath. So cool. What's it called?
Nightmare.
Oh my god. 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 Alright, so this is the haunted attraction we're going to first. This is called Nightmare, and look how scary that is. And we're going to be going in there after the lineup.
Oh, it's really dark in here.
Oh shoot. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That was really well made. So it was so dark, like we couldn't even see anything. I had to like grab John's
I
arm.
was like walking like this, and most was like pulling me, taking little baby steps.
Yeah, because I didn't want to fall.
So
They
well.
blended in so well in the dark. I didn't even see them. Scary,
I like
John?
how this guy. Yes, it was good.
Like out of 10?
I feel like the 15 minutes now.
That was good.
7.
Yeah.
7.5.
Yeah, I'd say like a
7.
7.5.
Yeah, they
That
weren't
was
like
pretty
cheap with
good.
the jump scares, but they were sneaky.
They're sneaky. Like they'll whisper, and I'm like, oh my god.
Hey.
Yeah. I like literally thought my mind was talking to me.
When
On
they
to the
came
next
out of
one.
the box-
So the next one we're going to is District 510, which is the lineups right over there, and we booked it, and it's gonna be scary. Do you think this one's gonna be scary?
Yes.
District
This one
510?
has in the dark in its name, so it's gonna
Oh,
be dark.
it's gonna be really, really dark, and I'm nervous because I don't do well in the dark. Let's go.
De la base. Il est important de...
Okay.
What do you think of that one?
Blinding. It was good. Spooky, but it was blinding.
Yeah, it was quite scary.
They tricked us. There was no flashlight. It was like a peephole.
That flashlight was like nothing. And we had to adjust our eyes to like see in the dark. It was
And then they would flash us.
They did a lot of jump scares. I was like, oh my goodness. They scared you like 3 times.
Yeah, because I couldn't see.
That was really good. That was really, really good. So we're going into the clown section.
I can't even see.
Yeah, you can't even see me, but... Oh my goodness.
He's
Oh, a baby. Oh, look at that one. Vampire. All right, so we're doing this one next. Ooh, scary.
We're going to La Ferme Maudite.
Ooh.
I think it means the damned farm.
The damn farm. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Wow. The road was so fun.
It was a lot of fun.
And we went through like all the haunted
4
attractions.
haunted houses. We went through 2 free zones. We had rides, roller coasters.
Yeah, definitely go to Ronde for their
you
Fright
guys
Fest
should try it.
this October, or you can go next October, but it was
They do it
fantastic.
every year. Every year.
Yeah, so watch us on our next vlog. Thanks, bye!
When I kiss you, I get a spark. Your body a work of art. Horny thoughts after dark. Used to stay up late to just talk. We was moving fast, trying not to get caught. Damn, your skin so soft. Let me open up your heart.